And then when we left the room, I said to Lucy Bevan, who's the casting director, and I was like, he's wonderful, he's really special. And she was like, oh, you think so? And I was like, yeah, I want him to get the part more than I want to get the part, and I really want to get the part. And she was like, oh, okay, good to know.
Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. So?
Oh, that's for scaring me. Okay, is it always gonna be like this?
Hated her. That's what I first thought when I met her. Like,
I think we had great chemistry when we first met. Oh, do you not think so? Do you really not think so?
no, I do.
Okay,
yeah.
Mason, good way to Hiccup, is just like my best friend. He's just the best. And yeah, it's a really, really amazing feeling, and I'm very lucky to be here.
Stole the show.
Star.
Stuck with you. And tell me insane, maybe why you're now. I still wouldn't change. I'm just loving you, hating you, wanting you. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. Stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you.
Paddington 2, I think, is the best
knew you were.
movie I've ever seen. I think. Oh,
I got that for you.
Oh my god!
Did you
see it? Wait, let's do this after. Do you want to do this now?
Yeah, hold on. I got you this.
You are the
Hold on.
This is.
Hold on. I love that we're doing this on camera now. I was gonna give this to you later. Put this on your coffee table, you know?
Are you kidding? When did you get this?
Yesterday at Harrods.
Oh, you're the cutest thing on the planet. Guys. Paddington 2 is my favorite film of all time. Yeah. It's have you seen it?
Yeah, I have seen it.
It's a perfect movie. Mason, you're so cute.
Because Nico Parker's in it, and she's amazing. And when she walked out, and her Astrid was like the blue one, with the shoulder pads, and I was like, damn, she looks like a princess. Crazy.
Cute.
It was so sick.
I feel very fortunate that I've got to be. What?
No, it was so sweet. I was just listening. Especially the beginning scene where Astrid walks out and looks so cool. Like, I was not acting. No. She was walking towards, I was it was so cool. Astrid is my little one.
I've been lining up shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. You get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wait with you.
That's right. Eyes on me.
Yup, and I do. Let me know, girl, what you wanna do. Give me something, I give it to you. Yup, and I do. Let me know, girl, what you wanna do. Give me something, I give it to you.
No handouts, no excuses. Not afraid of hard work. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to get the job done, which in this case means wiping out the dragons for the good of everyone.
Astrid, your son's finally genius.
I'll come from nothing. No handouts, no excuses. I'll transform and odds become ours. Figure out which side you're on.
Guess what? I come from nothing.
Is this some kind of a joke to you?
Is anyone taking this serious? We'll do whatever it takes to get the job done, which in this case means wiping out the dragons for the good of everyone.
You still blame yourself.
How do I make this feeling go away?
Figure out what sound like. You know something. In case you forgot, our third war
It's about to become our.
You want to do this to protect your pet dragon? Are you serious?
Toothless. I could have sworn you. Teeth.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for saving my son.
It's all in the wrong places.
Give me 2 minutes. I'll take down the dragon. My life will get infinitely better. I might even get a girlfriend.
Take no credit for anything that happened.
Hush. Quiet down, child. What happened was Nico, she was like, we got into an argument in the morning, and I was like, oh, and then she sharpened her nails during this scene where Toothless goes crazy. Yeah. And she has to hold on to my face. And I remember she was like, ha ha, and I heard ha ha, and she just started scratching my face. Started clawing at my face, and
No, Mason hit his face.
I didn't press charges because I'm a kind
Mason
person.
Mason hit his face on a bolt is what actually happened.
Are you making fun of me for hitting my face on a bolt?
Yes.
Wow.
Some of us wouldn't have done that.
I'm gonna get you canceled.
But it was
Saying, I wanna be your lover. I don't wanna be your friend. I know what you got to stole my day. So tell me that you love me again.
I got pretty like a girl, and he got nice stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. Swimming like blue water, eating like I'm underwater. Like my tattoos in Shibuya.
With the more of the fire, my heart moves to its feet. Like the ashes of ash, that's all as a need. Silver soft and as pure as snow. Fell in love with the fire long ago.
Do you know anything about me? You got the whole point from Love Island is where you got the whole...
We can escape the great sunshine. I'm your wife, she wouldn't mind. As without a face. Eyes without a face.
Nice name, by the way.
Your name is Snot Cow.
Now that you're close, I feel like coming undone. In the middle of the night when I'm in this dream, it's like a million little stars spelling out your name. You gotta come on, come on, say that we'll be together. Come on, come on. Oh, in the middle of the night we can form this dream. I wanna feel you by my side, standing next to me. You gotta come on, come on, say that we'll be together. Come on, come on.
your celebrity crush right now flirting?
No, I can't really tell you.
I'm finding ways to stay concentrated on what I gotta do. Baby, boy, it's so hard on you. And yes, I'm blaming you. And you know I can't fake it now and then. I'm finding ways to stay concentrated on what I gotta do. Baby, boy, it's so hard on you. And yes, I'm blaming you. And you know I can't fake it now and then.
You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend. What are you gonna do about it?
Yeah.
Hiccup!
What'd I do this time?
Ow, that's scary.
Okay, is it always gonna be like this? Cause
I wonder how I got by this way. I only touched you once. Lately I can't find you. I used to feel the rush, and now I need. I wanna be your lover. I don't wanna be your friend. You don't know what you got till it's on my day. So tell me that you love me again.
besides, you're the kid he always fell for. Instead, he got all this. Stay out of my way, Hiccup.
Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby.
Sorry, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad. We can drive once you fuck yourself. We go where no one goes. We slow for no one can